Hi guys, welcome to RST Technical. If you see Intel RST VMD Controller or NVMe drivers in Device Manager, you might be confused about which one is better. In this video, I will explain the difference in simple terms and help you choose the right storage driver for any SSD. So let's get started. Storage drivers allow Windows to communicate with your SSD or hard drive. Without the correct driver, your SSD may not show up, may run slower, or may cause system errors. Intel RST VMD Controller is a platform-level storage driver used on modern Intel systems. It is required when VMD is enabled in BIOS and is commonly used for Intel RAT, Optane memory, NVMe SSDs connected through Intel VMD. When VMD is enabled, Windows must use Intel RST to detect the SSD. NVMe drivers are standard drivers used for all NVMe SSDs. Regardless of brand, Samsung, WD, Crucial, Kingston, Seagate and others. These drivers work best when you are not using RAT, if VMD is disabled in BIOS, if you want direct SSD access for monitoring and tools. Windows also includes a built-in NVMe driver that works very well for most users. So let's talk about which one is better. Actually, the answer depends on how your system is configured. Use Intel RST VMD Controller if you have an Intel system. If VMD or Intel RAD is enabled in BIOS. When Windows cannot detect the SSD without it. When you see RAD or Optane. Use standard Windows or SSD vendor's NVMe driver if you see any NVMe SSD brand, if you don't use RAT, when VMD is disabled, and if you want maximum compatibility and easy monitoring. Note: do not switch between Intel RST and NVMe drivers without checking BIOS settings. Changing the driver while VMD is enabled can cause boot failure or missing drives. To check your system, restart your PC. Now enter BIOS or UEFI. Look for VMD, Intel RST or RAD mode. Enabled means it currently using Intel RST and disabled means it currently using NVMe driver. For most users with a single NVMe SSD, the Windows default NVMe driver is the best and safest choice. And Intel RST VMD is only necessary when your system specifically requires it. So I hope this guide was helpful for you. If this video helped clear up SSD driver confusion, like the video, subscribe our channel and comment below if you want a BIOS or driver installation tutorial. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.